Struggling with weight gain, fatigue, mood swings, or low libido? These could all be signs of hormone imbalance. Hey everyone, I'm Mallory, one of the medical providers at our Prairieville location. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's been gaining a lot of popularity, which is pellet therapy. Pellet therapy involves tiny bioidentical hormones that is inserted beneath the skin. These pellets slowly release hormones over time, which provide consistent and balanced levels. Unlike pills or injections, which can sometimes cause spikes in your hormone levels, pellets provide that continuous release of that hormone, preventing that spike. Prior to recommending pellet therapy, we sit down and go over all of your lab work, including your hormone levels, and discuss if pellet therapy is the right option for you. A few benefits of pellet therapy include improved energy, mental clarity, motivation, and libido. Ready to find out if pellet therapy is right for you? Contact us at Rejuvime Medical for your consultation and get to feeling your best.